What happens if you stop yourself from sneezing? It's more dangerous than you think. It starts as a tickle, then pressure builds behind your eyes, in your nose, in your chest. You lock your lips, trying to hold it back. But that air has nowhere to go. It explodes inside. Blood vessels strain, eardrums bulge, sometimes even burst. Doctors have seen throats tear from the inside. A sneeze is a built-in safety valve. Close it, and it fights back. Next time you feel a sneeze coming, dare to stop it?